this is the two, well, the most famous monument in Paris. So one more time, this is my favorite pizza and my favorite juice. So sorry baby, you're not here again. And yeah, I'm gonna eat it all.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Oh, it's another beautiful day out. Another beautiful day to give Almighty thanks to be alive and well and breathing, which a lot of people didn't get the chance to do. But I am thankful that I got to see another beautiful day, to be sitting and looking at this beautiful view in front of me. Let me show you guys how beautiful it looks outside. You want to talk to Faves? That's how beautiful it's. See Faves dear? Say good morning Faves.
Good morning, Faves.
How are you guys?
Okay.
What else you want to tell Faves? Sit up.
Bread.
Sit up.
Bread.
Eggs and plantain mama going to eat right now. I just finished making breakfast, you guys, and of course breakfast is eggs and plantain. Can you give mama that cushion over there please, in the chair? Give mama the cushion. So I woke up this morning and give Tyler his breakfast and put it in your mouth, excuse me, and
What's my time?
wipe it, go for mushwa, and clean the house a little bit, because I didn't straighten up before I go to bed last night because I was so tired. So I had to do that the first thing I woke up when I woke up this morning. So I did that. I made breakfast and I am getting today's vlog ready because I still didn't finish from last night. I was just too tired. I just had to shut down my brain and go to sleep. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good day. It's another day without babe. Make sure you guys stay in love, staying blessed, staying positive, staying motivated, and it doesn't really matter what you have to do today. Even if you have to sit and just stare on the horizon and dream of what you wish your life will be like in a few years from now. Just do it if that's what makes you feel better, that's what makes you feel good. Anyway you guys, I'm just gonna sit here and have breakfast and look at this beautiful view. Thank you. And look at this beautiful view, and let's get some stuff planned today for Thailand I to do before I head out to work. It's funny. Anyway you guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. See you later Faves. He's ready to eat my eggs and plantain. You ready? All right. This mama is on a roll. I am in the kitchen making dinner for my boy and I, because of course there's no babe to cook for today, but we still have to cook, right? Because we have to eat. So for dinner today I am making some Jamaican stew chicken right there, and some steamed veggies to go with that. And over here, which is still cooking, is some quinoa, which almost finished. So that's what dinner is gonna be for Minnie and I tonight. While I'm cooking, Minnie is having lunch. Oh, hey. Tell Faze what you're eating.
I'm brushing teeth.
You're brushing your teeth? You're brushing your teeth with what? With a sausage? You're so funny. You are so funny. What you eating? You hear what, moisturizer? What you eating?
Spaghetti.
You're eating spaghetti and sausage, and what else? And yogurt. Yes? And the water. Why are you looking so shy? You're so cute. Oh! See Fave's there? See Fave's there? Okay, let's see you. Alright, finish up.
Hi guys, so I'm actually in Paris, just finished to work. I'm actually in the, I think it's the most expensive streets of Paris. If you play Monopoly, that's the one. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's all of luxury stores, it's all of fancy things, and yeah, it's called Rue de la Paix, and it's called Place Vendôme. That's the boulevard. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this is full of fancy things. Store, they have to close everything because here is like 20,000 for a ring, so they have to hide everything. They can't show some things, they have to hide. Cartier, the famous one. You can see that somebody inside, they always look, you can't enter. It's not in your budget. Look at this. So you can see and this is the famous street, #1 in Monopoly. So this building is the Opera. I don't know if you hear me because it's very noisy. This is the Opera of Paris. Very famous building, and yeah, I think it's they're still doing some comedy or things like this. Very pretty building. So much bus, like tourist bus or regular bus, so I can't really show you what it looks like. I'm gonna try to see if I can go closer. This is old building. It looks very nice with the lights.
And I'm heading to the pool, to the pool. Look at him. He insists on wanting my glasses because what happened? Go. Yeah. Yeah. One of Tyler's glasses broke, and the other one I left it mistakenly at one of my friend's house. So I won't be able to get it until I go back there. And the last time I went there, I completely forget it. When I could have gotten it. So he decided to wear one of my glasses, so we're just heading to the pool right now. Go. Go. Catch him with his sexy self. Yes. You're so tired?
Yes, I'm tired.
It's okay. Go on. calling Mama. What did you say? Good morning. It's not morning, it's afternoon. Say good afternoon, Mama. It's not morning, Pumpkin. It's afternoon. It's after 4 p.m. It's not morning. Morning is when you sleep long in the night and then wake up. Then it's morning when the sun just rises. But it's afternoon now. Do you understand? Okay. You had a good nap?
Yes.
You did?
And the cookie.
You like cookie? Yeah? That's, you were dreaming about cookie?
Your cookie.
It's my cookie?
Yeah.
So why you want my cookie? Mama don't like cookie, you know that, right?
Yeah.
You were dreaming about cookie?
Yeah.
Yeah. What happened?
Cookie.
What do you want?
Cookie.
Huh? Cookie?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go check if there's any cookie. Go and look if there's cookie. Go. He's been dreaming about this cookie. Is there cookie? Look. Cookies in there? You find it? Take it out. Yeah, cookies in there. Ready? Go. Press the elevator. Press the elevator. Can you go press the elevator? Oh my gosh, you guys, and just like that, the day is done. We are back. Well, I wouldn't say the day is done, but oh my gosh, you guys, it is so hot. You want to talk to Faves? I think we're gonna go to the pool for a second time today. It's that hot. Holy.
I'm actually at the restaurant and this is full. I think there's gonna be a long wait before to get some food. So yeah, I'm here, I have my time. Came back to the hotel kind of late today. I walked longer. So yeah, it's after 9. Hungry, but yeah, I have to wait. It's full here. You know, French people used to eat very late. So when I'm going to the restaurant at 7:38, it's still empty, I'm gonna say. So yeah, now it's full. But yeah, it's my favorite place. I used to come here now. They're doing some nice pizza. I think you saw it last time. So yeah, I'm gonna get another one. Don't know which one, but I'm gonna get another one. So one more time, this is my favorite pizza and my favorite juice. So sorry baby, you're not here again. And yeah, I'm gonna eat it all. And you know I will. You know I will. Can't get any more. I can't get any more. I'm just feeling full, need to drink something. I am done. I am done. Pizza get me. So this is the the most famous monument in Paris, and the
bus.
You're watching Wheels on the Bus. You guys, my little nugget and I just here chilling. I just finished tidying up the entire house. I like to do that before I sit to really relax each day, unless I'm super tired. So now kitchen is clean, all the rooms are clean, living room is clean, everything is clean. That way when I do that, I can wake up to a clean house and I don't have to clean the first thing I wake up in the morning. So that's done, and we're just coming on to end today's vlog. Tyler, can you say night night, please? Look on the camera. Look. Say night night, please. Speak up.
I'm not finished.
See you guys tomorrow. You're tired?
No.
Yeah? No? You're going to bed now?
No.
Yes? You're not ready?
No.
Why? Why are you not ready for bed? It's time for bed so Mama can go get some work done. Okay?
Yes.
Alright. Anyway, you guys, if it's your first time to our channel, don't leave unless you subscribe. If you've watched this far, then just subscribe already, girl. And click that notification bell to make sure you guys catch all the videos, and stay tuned to see what we're up to tomorrow. Of course, Thailand and see what baby's up to in Paris tomorrow. I think he have 2 more days before he get home, so you guys shall see him back with us in a few days. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.